Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by launching Homebrew, then open Ftpd immediately. This is where you create the connection. Make sure your 3DS shows an IP address and that your PC is on the same Wi-Fi. Without matching networks, nothing will reach. Once done, confirm the displayed port and username if used, and note the visible root path. That tells you what files you can access. If the app asks for permissions, accept them so transfers will proceed smoothly. You now open your FTP client and create a quick connection profile with the 3DS IP and port shown earlier. Set protocol to FTP and anonymous if no user set. Once connected, you'll see the 3DS file tree. Navigate to the folder you need and drag files across. If transfers stall, switch passive versus active mode. Passive commonly works behind NAT. Make sure file permissions and free space on the 3DS as you should close files on the PC and then exit FTPD on the 3DS to avoid corruption. Only remove the SD card once the app is closed. If connection issues occur, verify both devices share the same subnet and that your PC firewall allows FTP traffic. Toggling router Wi-Fi bands can help. For a single key troubleshooting tip, test with another FTP client or device. If that fails too, the problem is network, not the 3DS, and you can isolate it faster.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.